Hey there, future crypto superstar. Welcome to the Coin Classroom, where we break down everything you need to know about cryptocurrency in the easiest and most fun way possible. Today, we're answering the million-dollar question. What is crypto? And more importantly, how can you get started with it? Let's dive in. All right, let's get this out of the way. Crypto is short for cryptocurrency, but don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Think of it like digital money, but with a twist. It's a form of currency that exists purely online and it's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or bank. Cool, right? The most famous one is Bitcoin. You've probably heard of it, but there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies out there. Some are for payments like Bitcoin, while others are for smart contracts like Ethereum. So there's a lot to explore. Okay, so we know what crypto is, but how does it work? It's all about blockchain. Think of blockchain as a giant digital notebook. Every time someone makes a transaction, like buying or selling Bitcoin, it gets written down in the notebook. Everyone can see it, but no one can change it. This makes crypto super secure and transparent. So when you buy crypto, you're really just joining the coolest club on the internet. So you're thinking, all right, sounds cool, but how do I actually buy crypto? Great question. The first step is to get yourself a crypto exchange. This is like a digital store where you can buy and sell crypto. Some of the most popular ones are Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Once you sign up, you can link your bank account or credit card and start buying your favorite coins, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or something else that catches your eye. Just make sure you're using a safe and trusted platform. Now that you've bought your crypto, you need to store it safely. You don't want someone stealing your coins, right? You can keep your crypto on the exchange, but for extra security, you can use a crypto wallet. There are hot wallets, online wallets, and cold wallets, offline wallets. Cold wallets are super secure because they're not connected to the internet. If you're serious about crypto, it's worth investing in one. Now let's talk about safety. Crypto is awesome, but there are also a few risks. First off, always double check everything before making a transaction. Scammers love to trick newbies, so don't fall for anything too good to be true. Second, never share your private keys. Your private key is like the password to your wallet. If someone gets it, they can take your crypto, and we don't want that. Now you might be wondering, is crypto the future? Well, that depends on who you ask. Some say it's the next big thing that'll change the world of finance forever. Others are a bit more cautious. But here's the deal, crypto is here to stay. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the next big thing, more and more people are getting into the space. And who knows? Maybe you'll be the one who gets in early and becomes the next crypto millionaire. We're crossing our fingers for you. And that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to crypto. It's not as scary as it seems, right? Remember, start small, stay safe, and keep learning. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. We're here to make crypto fun and easy for you. See you in the next one.